Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear friend and student. This is Nasir Ali. Cordially welcome to our YouTube channel Learning Side. Student, today I am going to start FSC Part 1 Biology. But first of all, I want to clear you two things. The first thing is that if you people want to clear your concept about biology, please watch the entire lecture and entire series of lecture, because in this lecture I will completely clear your concept about biology. The second thing and the most important thing is that at the end of each lecture I will give you a gift of 8 MCQs. So now let's proceed the classes. So today we have to discuss a biological molecule, but before that we have to start biological molecule. First of all, we have to discuss molecule. That's what's mean by a molecule. That's what's mean by a molecule. So when two or more than two atoms of same element or different element combine together, they form a structure called molecule. When two atoms are more than two atoms of same element or of different element of same element or different element combine together, they form a structure called molecule. Form a structure called molecule. When two atoms are more than two atoms of same element or of different element combined together, they form a structure called molecule. Like this is the atom of hydrogen, this is another atom of hydrogen. So when these two atoms combine together, they form a structure. This is one atom of hydrogen and this is the another atom of hydrogen. So they form a structure. This structure is called molecule. This structure is called molecule. When two atoms are more than two atoms of same element or of different element combined together, they form a structure called molecule. This is the hydrogen molecule. Now moving toward the classification of molecule. Classification. So molecule can be classified by two methods, by two ways. The first method or the first way is classification on the basis of number of atoms. Classification on the basis of number of atoms in a molecule. So to this classification, we can classify molecule into three classes. The first class is monoatomic molecule. Mono mean one or single, and atomic mean or atomic represent atoms. So the type of molecule which consists of only one atom, so this type of molecule is called monoatomic molecule. Type of molecule consists of one atom, only one atom. So this class of a molecule is called, or this type of molecule is called monoatomic molecule. Like molecule of noble gases, like helium, neon, etc. So this class or this type of molecule is called monoatomic molecule. The second one is diatomic molecule. Moving toward the second one, the second one is diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. Di mean two and atomic represent atom. Di mean two and atomic represent atoms. So the type of molecule which consists of two atoms is called diatomic molecule. Type of molecule consists of two atoms is called diatomic molecule. Diatomic molecule. Example is H2. Example is H2O2 Cl2. So this is the example of diatomic molecule which consists of two atoms, one hydrogen atom and the second hydrogen atom. So these hydrogen atom combine together to form hydrogen molecule. Like this is the one atom of oxygen and this is the second atom of oxygen combined together to form oxygen molecule. Now moving toward the third one, polyatomic molecule. The third one is polyatomic molecule. Poly mean many and atomic represent atom. Poly mean many and atomic represent atom or number of atoms. So the molecule which consists of many atoms, which consists of more than two atoms, is called polyatomic molecule. Molecule consists of many atoms. Many atoms are more than two atoms. More than two atoms is called polyatomic molecule. Like molecule of glucose C6H12O6, molecule of carbon dioxide, molecule of H2O or water, etc. So this is the type of molecule which consists of many atoms. Glucose molecule is consist of 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen. Carbon dioxide molecule is consist of 1 atom of carbon, 2 atoms of oxygen, and water molecule is consist of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So this is the classification on the basis of number of atoms present in a molecule. Now moving toward the classification on the basis of kind or type of atom present in a molecule. The second classification, is classification on basis of kind or type of atoms in a molecule. So on the basis of kind or type of atom present in a molecule, we can classify molecule into two main type, two main classes. The first one is homoatomic molecule. Homoatomic molecule. Homo mean same and atomic represent atom or number of atom or kind of atom. So the type of molecule which consists of same type of atom is called homoatomic molecule. The type of molecule consists of consist of same type of atoms or consist of atom belong to the same element is called homoatomic molecule, like H2 molecule of hydrogen, O2 molecule of oxygen, Cl2 molecule of chlorine. So this is the type of molecule which consists of same type of atom, or same kind of atom. So such a type of molecule which consists of a same type of atom is called homoatomic molecule, and the second one is heteroatomic molecule. The second one is heteroatomic molecule. And definition, heteroatomic molecule is the reverse of homoatomic molecule. Homoatomic molecule is consist of same type of atom, and heteroatomic molecule is consist of different type of atoms. Type of molecule: hetero mean different, and atomic represent atom or kind of atoms. So the class or the type of molecule which consists of different type of atom, molecule consist of different type of atom is called heteroatomic molecule, like molecule of carbon dioxide, CO2, molecule of water, H2O, etc. So this is the example of heteroatomic molecule which consists of different type of atom, like carbon dioxide is consist of carbon atom and 2 atom of oxygen. So carbon dioxide is consist of different type of atom. The second one is hydrogen molecule which consists of 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So this is the class or the type of molecule which consists of different type of atom, and such a type of molecule is called heteroatomic molecule. So this is the classification of molecule. Now moving toward the main topic, which is a biological molecule. That's what's mean by a biological molecule, how we can define a biological molecule, and what is the classification of biological molecule. A biological molecule, that how we can define biological molecule. So those molecule which play a structural role and functional role in living organism body is called biological molecule. Those molecule which play a structural and functional role in living organism body, called biological molecule. Those molecules which play a structural and functional role in living organism body is called biological molecule. Now what's mean by a structural role and what's mean by a functional role? So structural role mean that they have a role in the building of different structure of the body. They have a role in the building of different structure of the body, like cell wall of plant cell. So the cell wall of plant cell is made of cellulose, which is a polysaccharide. Mean it is the type or it is the class of a biological molecule polysaccharide or carbohydrate. So the cell wall or cellulose is play a structural role in the formation of the cell wall of the plant cell. So they play a structural role in the formation of different structure of the body. If we can take so those molecules which play a structural and functional role in living organism body is called biological molecule. Now what's mean by structural role and functional role? So structural role mean they have a role in the building of different structure of the body, different structure of living organism body, like cell wall of plant which is made of cellulose. So cellulose is the example of polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is the class of carbohydrate which is a biological molecule. If we can take the example of cell membrane, if we can take this example of cell membrane of plant cell or animal cell. So cell membrane is composed of phospholipids and cholesterol. So phospholipid and cholesterol is also the classes of lipids which is a biological molecule. If we can take the example of cytoplasm, so about 90% of cytoplasm is made of water, 90%, and water is also a biological molecule. So this is how the biological molecule play a structural role in the living organism body. Now if we can take the example or how we can classify or what's mean by the functional role. So functional role mean that functional role mean that they play a role in the performance of different function of the body. Like if we can take the example of defense mechanism of the body or defensive function of the body. So defensive function of the body is performed by antibodies. So antibodies is also proteinaceous in nature. Or if we can take the growth of the body. So growth of the body is controlled by a growth hormone or somatotropic hormone which is proteinaceous in nature. Growth hormone. So this is also protein in nature. If we can take the example of the transformation of hereditary character from parent to offspring, so this transfer of character from parent to offspring is performed by the nucleic acid, DNA or RNA, which is also a biological molecule. DNA or RNA, which is also a biological molecule. So they play a functional role in living organism body. So this is the definition of biological molecule, that how we can define a biological molecule. So those molecules which play a structural and functional role in living organism body is called biological molecule. And we discuss that's what's mean by a structural role and what's mean by a functional role. Now moving toward the classification of biological molecule, that how we can classify a biological molecule. Classification. So biological molecule can be classified into two classes. The first one is organic molecule or organic biological molecule, and the second one is inorganic molecule or biological molecule. So what's mean by organic molecule? So the type of molecule which contain carbon as a basic element directly bounded to hydrogen is called organic molecule. Contain carbon as a basic element directly bounded to hydrogen is called organic molecule. Example is carbohydrates. This is the example: carbohydrates, protein, lipids, nucleic acid, etc. So this is the example of organic molecule. These all represent 33% of the biological molecule. And the second one is inorganic molecule. Those molecules which doesn't contain carbon is a basic element is called inorganic molecule. Example is water, mineral, etc. This is the example of inorganic molecule, which represent water represents 65% of body and mineral represent 1.5% of the body. So this is the classification of biological molecule, organic molecule and inorganic molecule. If you want further explanation, you can visit your first year chemistry, in which you can got more information about organic chemistry or organic molecule and inorganic molecule or inorganic chemistry. Now moving toward the study of biological molecule. So the study of biological molecule is called biochemistry, in which we study the composition of biological molecule, in which we study the structure of biological molecule, property of biological molecule, and chemical property of biological molecule, and chemical process of biological molecule. So now moving toward the study of biological molecule, biochemistry. The study of biological molecule is called biochemistry. Study of biological molecule is called biochemistry, in which we study the composition of biological molecule, in which we study the structure of biological molecule, properties of biological molecule, and chemical process of biological molecule. So the study of biological molecule is called biochemistry, in which we study the composition of biological molecule, structure of biological molecule, property of biological molecule, and chemical process of biological molecule. And the term biochemistry was first proposed by Carl Neuberg in 1903. 1903. The scientist who proposed first the term biochemistry is Carl Neuberg in 1903. Carl Neuberg, who is the Carl Neuberg? Carl Neuberg is a German biochemist born in 1877 and died in 1956 in New York, USA. So this is the definition of biochemistry, that how we can define a biochemistry. Now three most important ETA MCQs which is related to this topic. So let's discuss the important ETA MCQs related to this topic. Three most important ETA MCQs related to this topic. The first MCQs is the atom in living organism body which is more in number is the atoms in organism body which is more in number, which is more in number is hydrogen represents 63%. And the next one is next to hydrogen, the element which is more in number next to hydrogen is oxygen represents 25%. This is the second MCQs. And the third MCQs is the atom which is more in weight in organism body, the element which is more in weight in organism body as oxygen represents 65% of body weight. So this is our today lecture about biological molecule. I hope you understand. If you have any question regarding today's lecture, you can ask me in a comment section. So thank you for giving us your useful time. Thank you so much.